Some deer here as I go for a walk with the horses. They're not in the least bit worried about me here. It's pretty cool. That one's just strolling by, no big deal. I'm here with Phoenix and Ginny, and they live outside, and obviously with Phoenix living a wild life, they could care less about deer. They're used to them. It's not a big deal. Nice. Love it. Oh, there's one right behind us. That's so cute. Cute. I can't believe how, they're totally not in the least bit fazed by me.